Hi my dear students, I am Ivanka teacher and we are going to study maths today. Okay, so what are we going to learn? We are going to learn about polygons. What children? It's a shape, right? It's a type of a shape, polygons. Okay, right. Now see, we are going to learn about what? Polygons. Right. Now you know my dear students, there are different types of shapes, isn't it? Now try to tell me the shapes that you already know. Okay, some will say square, some will say rectangle, some will say triangle, isn't it? So you know a lot of shapes. Okay, but today what are we going to learn? Today we are going to learn about a specific variety of shapes. Okay, right. I want everybody to listen to me carefully and follow. Okay, follow this video. Now look, what are shapes? What are shapes? Okay, shapes are geometric figures. What are they, my dear children? Shapes are geometric figures, or the pattern an outline falls into. Understand? See? Look at this picture nicely. They are geometric figures, and or else we can define it in a different way. We can form a pattern or an outline falls to it. Okay, so different types of shapes. Now we are going to learn about different types of shapes. I told you in the beginning that there are so many varieties of shapes. Understand? So different types of shapes. There are many different types of shapes, and there are names for basically all of them. Okay, there are different types, and they have given a specific name for each and every shape. Okay, so basically we are going to study about these two. Okay, as we are in the primary level, my dear children, let's study about these two. Okay, the first one is 2D shapes. Okay, let me define. 2D means two-dimensional. Okay, I want everybody to repeat with me. 2D means, repeat, two-dimensional. Okay, so what is 3D? 3D means, repeat with me, three-dimensional. Understand? So let's repeat again. Two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Right. So these are the types that we are going to study. Okay, so let's move on to three-dimensional, 3D. What you mean by a 3D shape? So three-dimensional shapes are the ones that are not just flat on a paper. They are not just flat on a paper, but also take up room vertically. Okay, so only a few are really commonly named. Okay, now let's go. Now you know, these are not flat on a paper. That is what you call 3D. Okay, three-dimensional. So these are the 3D shapes. Now I want everybody to repeat after me. What is this? A cone. This one, cube. This one, cuboid. This one, pyramid. This one, triangular prism. This one, sphere. Okay, this one, cylinder. These are 3D shapes. These are not flat on a paper. Understand? Right. Now see the examples. See, this is a birthday hat. Look at this, children. Now a cone, a birthday hat. The birthday hat is shaped like a cone, isn't it? So it's not flat on a paper. It's a 3D shape. Sphere. It's a ball. See, our earth is a sphere, isn't it? So our earth is also a sphere, ball is a sphere. Then cube. What is this? It's a Rubik cube. Okay, and then cylinder, a gas cylinder. Okay, and for the cuboid we can give the example as a gift box or something like that. Okay, so these are the examples, my dear children. Okay, now we studied about 3D shapes. Now let's study about two-dimensional shapes, which means 2D. Okay, two-dimensional shapes are the ones that are just flat on a paper. Okay, so 2D, they are just flat on a paper. 3D, tell me 3D, what are 3D shapes? 3D shapes are not flat on a paper. Now 2D shapes are flat on a paper. Okay, so these are the 2D shapes. Okay, now what are polygons? What are polygons? Now that was our main topic, right? Okay, so I earlier gave a revision, kind of a revision about the basic shapes. Okay, so now only we are coming to the what? Now only we are coming to the subject. Now only we are coming to the topic that we are going to learn today. So polygons are closed 2D shapes that have only straight lines. Now you learned the basic shapes. There are two varieties of shapes. Understand? 2D, 3D. So 3D are not flat on a paper. Okay? 2D are flat on a paper. And here polygons are 2D shapes. Now I think you can understand. Polygons are 2D shapes. They are, see, they are closed figures, okay, that have only straight sides. See. Now can you tell, now there are three pictures on this. Can you tell me what is the difference? What is the difference from these two when compared to this one? Can you tell me? This is, you already know this. This is a cone. This is a 3D shape. And then this shape is not closed, isn't it? It is not closed from all the sides. But when you talk about this, it is flat on a paper, okay, and it is closed from all the sides and have straight lines. So what is this picture? Tell me. This is a 2D picture. This is a polygon. Okay, so all 2D shapes are, my dear children, polygons. Now understand? Right. So one characteristic, polygons don't have curved lines. Okay, they don't have curved sides. Okay, so some examples of polygons are shown below. See, this is a polygon because it is flat on a paper, have straight sides, and it is closed. They are closed figures. They are not open figures. Okay, right. Now this is what I told you, my dear children. Shapes. Now when you talk about polygons, they are 2D, they are flat on a paper, and they are all closed. Their curved shapes are not polygons. Always keep that in your mind. Okay, and then when you talk about the types of polygons, that also you can divide it into two types, regular and irregular polygons. Okay, so regular, these are regular polygons. Look at this. You have triangle, pentagon. See these. Now this side you can see with the odd number of sides. Odd means which you can divide by, which you can't divide by 2. Even means which you can divide by 2. So these is regular polygons with odd number of sides. These are irregular polygons with even number of sides. Understand? Right. See, with odd number means, children, see, have 3 sides, no? So 3 is a odd number. Okay? So that's why we say regular polygons with odd number of sides. Now regular polygons with even number of sides, you see this is a square and it does have 4 sides. So 4 is, we can easily divide 4 by 2. Okay, so which means it's an even number. That's what I meant here. Okay, now let's go to, okay, remember, for a shape to be a polygon, it should have 3 features. Okay, the main points. Okay, the shape should be closed. I told you it should be closed. The shape should have straight sides that join at vertices. What are vertices? Vertices are corners. Vertices means corners. It's the plural form of vertex. Vertex means a corner, and corners we can define as vertices. Okay, so the shape should be flat. You know, it should be 2D. Right. Now we are going to learn about the polygons and their names. Okay, now comes the interesting part. We are going to learn about the polygons. Okay, so see, now here three-sided polygons are called triangles. Triangles, which means have three angles, we say triangle. Okay, so see, have three sides, my dear children. 1, 2, 3. Now tell me, is this a regular polygon or a irregular polygon? Tell me. Now tell me to see. We studied earlier. What? Irregular polygons. See, regular polygons with odd number of sides. Irregular polygons with odd number of sides. Regular means their sides are equal to one another. Now one more point, okay? Regular means, Pute, their sides are equal to one another. And then irregular means, Pute, their sides are not equal to one another. Understand? So here comes to our slide again, which we were speaking. Here, this is a regular polygon. Why? Tell me why? Because their sides are equal to each other. And then this is a irregular polygon because their sides are not equal to each other. Okay, so three-sided polygons are called triangles. That's the main point. Okay, have three sides, have three vertices, triangles. And then four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, they are called quadrilaterals. Tell me with me, repeat with me, quadrilaterals. Okay, so which means have four vertices, four sides. And five-sided polygons are called pentagons. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides have? 5, and we call them pentagons. Okay, so six-sided polygons are called hexagons. 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners, 6 vertices, which means hexagons. Okay, and then 7-sided polygons are heptagons. Heptagons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 vertices, 7 sides, they are heptagons. And then 8-sided polygons. 8-sided polygons are called octagons. Okay, so which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have 8 sides and 8 vertices, which means 8 corners, which we call them octagons. Now can you remember what I explained? Huh? Shall we do a revision again, a quick revision? Okay, 3 sides. 3 sides are triangles. 4 sides, 4 vertices, what? Quadrilaterals. Okay, 5 sides, 5 vertices, pentagons. 6 sides, 6 vertices, hexagon. 7 sides, 7 vertices, what is that? 7 sides, 7 vertices, heptagons, and then 8 sides, 8 vertices are octagons. Now, with what we have studied, we are going to do a small activity and we are going to close it up. Close it down, okay? So now I think you can remember what we studied. Now by looking at this, I want you to tell me what kind of a polygon is this. Now tell me what type of a polygon is this. Right, now this is have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides are there? 5 sides. So which means this is a what? This is a pentagon, right? Is this a polygon? Tell me. Is this a polygon? Tell me the characteristics of a polygon, children. It should be 2D, which means flat on a paper, and all the sides should be closed. So this is not a polygon because the sides are not closed. Okay? And here it is a closed figure, a 2D figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have 5 sides. What is that? It is a irregular polygon. It's a pentagon. Irregular. Why did we say irregular? Because their sides are not equal to each other. Here it's a regular pentagon because their sides are equal to each other. So I think you got a clear picture of the subject today. So revise, you always have to revise, watch the video over and over, do this rest of the activity also, okay. So I think everybody understood what I explained. Thank you, stay safe and God bless you my dear children.